Hello and welcome to Winslow Invest. This is our 4 tips basics to operating tables in Excel. So here we have an example table. First we will look at how we can move data easily around. So if you for example want to move an entire column, you can select it like this and then click, and then you can move it anywhere you want. You can also do this with rows in a similar fashion, such that you don't have to copy paste and then delete the original. You can simply just move it as you want. This was tip number 1. Next off, we want to add some filters such that we can sort our table. So we'll add just the missing here, company. Then we can just select this, click on the data and then filter. And by that we automatically added filters such that we can select any of the data points that we would like to see. Now we're only watching company 3. We can then add again company 2 and 3, and then we can also do the same for each month if we want to see a certain amount. So this is how you easily add filters to a table to organize the data. Tip number 3, sometimes you open a data in Excel where the table is visible, where some of the data is visible and some of it are not, because this is not auto-fitted correctly. So instead of having to do this by each column, if you have a lot, you can simply just select your entire data set and just click once, and then the entire data set will auto fit each column such that they are fitted based on the length of each data point. That was tip number 3. The 4th tip is where we can use the automatic built-in function to do some calculation for us. So let's select our entire table and then we can go to auto sum, and then we can select if we want the sum, the average, the total amount, max and minimum. By just clicking any of these, Excel will automatically calculate that based on our data. So this is the sum here, and that is applied to this column. So if I change any data within this column, the value will automatically be adjusted because it takes the sum of the values in. And then we can again just click if we want the amount. There is 3 rows in this, but if we add more, this will automatically be adjusted. So this was 4 quick tips to how to improve your data processing of tables in Excel. See you next time here on Winslow Invest.